Hello students, in this video I will discuss elimination reaction, reduction reaction and reaction with metal for alkyl halides. Let us begin with elimination reactions. In elimination reactions of alkyl halide, hydrogen halide is eliminated from the molecule. Halogen and hydrogen from the nearby carbon atom to the halogen containing carbon atom is eliminated, and hence we get hydrogen halide and alkene is produced. Along with halogen, hydrogen is eliminated from nearby carbon atom, means from the carbon very next to halogen containing carbon atom. And since this carbon atom, this one, is called as beta carbon atom, so these reactions are called as beta elimination reactions. In case of primary alkyl halides, only one beta hydrogen atom is available, so only one type of beta hydrogens are available. So when these alkyl halides are treated with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, then beta elimination reaction takes place and we get alkene and hydrogen halide. Remember that alcoholic potassium hydroxide gives elimination reaction, whereas aqueous potassium hydroxide gives substitution reaction. Okay. Now order of reactivity for beta elimination reaction: if halogen atom is same, means our alkyl is different, then reactivity order is this: tertiary alkyl halides are most reactive and primary alkyls are least reactive. Primary, secondary and tertiary. Halogen is same, for example Cl, then this is the reactivity order. But if halogen is different and alkyl group is same, for example methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide and methyl iodide, then reactivity order is this. That is, when we move forward in halogen series, then reactivity will increase. This is because the size of halide ion increases and hence bond length in molecules increases. Bond length in methyl iodide is largest, so it is the weakest bond and can be broken down very easily. So it is most reactive and it is least reactive with shortest bond length. Now in case of secondary and tertiary alkyl halides, since we have two types of beta carbon atoms, okay, this is the alpha carbon atom. Halogen containing carbon is alpha carbon atom, and to this alpha carbon atom, one carbon atom is attached to both sides. So in this way, two beta carbon atoms are present, and hydrogen atoms attached with beta carbon atoms are beta hydrogen atoms. So two type of beta hydrogen atoms are present in secondary or tertiary alkyl halides. So in this way, we get two type of products with respect to elimination from beta carbon atom or elimination of beta hydrogen atom, and one product with respect to elimination of beta dash hydrogen atom. Now this elimination takes place according to Sadzeff rule. According to this rule, the more alkyl substituted isomer is the major product. More alkyl substituted alkene. Now in this example, this alkyl group is the larger one as compared to this alkyl group. It is methyl and it is ethyl. So alkene, which is produced with respect to elimination of beta dash hydrogen atom, is the major product, okay, and the alkene which is produced with respect to elimination of beta hydrogen atom is minor one. Larger alkyl groups major product, smaller alkyl group gives minor product, okay. Minor means lesser percentage, major means higher percentage. Now in case of tertiary alkyl halides, again we have three beta carbon atoms, 1, 2 and 3. Coincidentally in this example, these two alkyl groups are same. So in this case, major product we get when double bond comes in between this ethyl group and bromine containing carbon atom, okay. So this is the major product and other one is the minor product. Next is reaction with metals. When alkyl halides are treated with sodium in presence of dry ether, then we get alkane and sodium halide. Okay, this is a substitution reaction, but it is with metal. It is called as Woods reaction. Okay, now if two different alkyl halides are treated with sodium in presence of dry ether, then mixture of alkanes we get. For example, one alkyl halide is Rx, second one is R dash X. Then we get different type of alkyl halides, R dash, RR, R dash, R dash. Example is methyl chloride and ethyl chloride. When treated with sodium in presence of dry ether, then we get mixture of compounds, propane, ethane and butane. Second is when alkyl halides are treated with lithium metal in presence of ether, then alkyl lithium is produced, RLi. Example we can take of methyl chloride. So we get methyl lithium, CH3Li and LiCl is produced. Third reaction with zinc. Dialkyl zinc is produced. This dialkyl zinc is called as Frankland reagent. Okay. Example, when methyl chloride is treated with zinc, then dimethyl zinc is produced. Next is reaction with magnesium in presence of dry ether. Alkyl magnesium halides are produced with formula RMgX. These are called as Grignard reagent or organometallic compounds. Example, when ethyl bromide is treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether, then we get ethyl magnesium bromide. It is called as Grignard reagent or organometallic compounds as there is a bond between carbon and metal. Okay. Last reaction for this category is reaction with lead in sodium and ether. That is lead sodium alloy. Then we get tetraethyl lead. For example, ethyl bromide treated with sodium lead alloy in presence of ether, we get tetraethyl lead, which is called as TEL. Okay. Last category of reaction of alkyl halides is reduction. When alkyl halides undergo reduction in presence of any reducing agent, then alkanes are produced. Two nascent hydrogens are participated in this reaction. One hydrogen combined with R and second hydrogen combined with X, and in this way we get alkane and hydrogen halide. For example, ethyl chloride, when undergo reduction reaction, we get ethane, okay, C2H5H or C2H6 and HCl. Now here in this reaction, reducing agents which we can use are zinc in presence of HCl or sodium and ethanol or lithium aluminum hydride or red phosphorus in presence of hydrogen iodide. Okay, so this is all about reactions, chemical reactions of alkyl halides. In my next video, I will discuss methods of preparation and properties of aryl halides. Thank you.